I'm teacher Patty, and I'm a teacher from Options for Learning. And this week I read Bear in a Square. And it's a story about different shapes, and it gives your child the opportunity to identify shapes and find them in the story. So it asks, find the bear in the square. So they can find the square shape, and they can find other square shapes in the story. There's hearts they can find, and there's also circle shapes, but they can also find different shapes in the story. So we have circles here, but there's also other shapes, and you can ask them, do you see more shapes, different shapes other than a circle? And they can maybe identify, oh, rectangle, the pool is a rectangle, and the little tiles on the pool are rectangle shapes also. So it's just a fun way to identify shapes in pictures and objects. So I thought a fun way to extend that story and bring an activity to home is by cutting different shapes. I cut different shapes from different color paper. You can use the same color, it doesn't really matter. I just kind of made it more, brighter. But you just cut different shapes, and you can ask the child, oh, do you see a square shape in the room, or in the living room, or your bedroom? Or you can ask. It can be done in any room or even outside. Do you see anything that looks like a square shape? And they can find a square shape. Do you see anything that has a circle shape? And they can look for it. They can even hold the shape and find it so they can match it. Oh yeah, look, these are both circle shapes. And they'll, match it to the circle shape they find. And another thing you can do is use everyday, toys that you have at home that they like and they use. And you could just ask them questions about, do you see shapes on the microwave, the pretend microwave? What shapes do you see? And they can identify the shapes. If they don't know the shapes, you can help them. Oh, I see a circle shape. Do you see a circle shape? And maybe, oh yeah, look, here's a circle shape. Or do you see squares? I see a lot of squares on that microwave, and they can identify, oh yeah, these look like square shapes. And you can help them out, of course, if they're having trouble locating them. You can show them. And then here's another one that has a lot of shapes, and you can say, oh, what shapes do you see on this police truck? And they can say, oh yeah, I see circle. The wheels are circle shapes, and they can even match it, to the circles or to the wheels. And just ask them, what shapes do you see? And let them have a chance to identify. They might not see all of them because there is a lot, but they will see it, find a few, and then you can help them out. I see a square shape. Look, right here, there's a square, and over here is a square shape. Do you see that square shape? And, you can help them out if they don't find all the shapes. So it's just a fun way to bring shapes home and identify shapes in your environment so the children can learn and have fun doing it. Okay, thank you. I hope you enjoyed the activity. See you next time. Bye.